Hello and welcome back to my channel. You already saw me paint the engine bay. Now I'm going to remove the steering wheel so that I can paint the dash. The dash is going to get painted next. So let's just go with that. There it is. Steering wheel is out. All I had to do is disconnect these two bolts right there. And a couple of bolts that are holding the steering wheel up. And it came out. Let me start taking all these out. All these are gonna get replaced so that I can start sanding the dash. Here it is. Everything has been sanded. Use the red Scotch-Brite just to sand everything down and have it ready. All the cluster has been removed. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start covering everything up that's not gonna get painted so that I can start painting it. Here we go. Everything's covered up. Let me just start applying the sealer, start painting. There it is. There it is. The sealer is on. I'm going to wait 10 minutes for it to dry, and then I'll come back, start applying the candy apple red. Here it is. This paint has been in hibernation for about a year, but it's still good. Okay, this is the paint, candy apple red. Let me start applying. All right, there's the first coat. Let it set for about 10 minutes. I'll come back, apply 2 more coats of candy apple red, and I'll bring you back once I applied the 3 coats. There it is. 3 full wet coats. Now I'm gonna wait 15 minutes, come back, start applying 2 coats of clear, 2 heavy coats of clear. That'll be it. There it is. Came out real nice, real shiny. Looks real good. Now, I did get a little run right there, which I'm gonna have to sand it down and buff it, but that's about it. That's the only run that I got, which is real good. So let me just let it dry for a couple of days, sand it down, buff that area. That's it. The dash is done. All right. And this will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And this car is getting one step closer to being finished. So just follow my channel so you can see the rest of the painting of the body and everything. So this will be it, guys. Thank you. Hope you have a great weekend. And like always, God bless.